Good morning, students. Jayadash here. Yesterday we have done up to 4 of exercise 4.1. Today we will do from 5. Question number 5. Write the following equation in statement forms. Yesterday we have done statement was given. We have to form the equation. Today we will do the we will write the statements for the given equation. See, one equation is given, p plus 4 is equal to 15. Then what we will write? See, these two are added and result is 15. So the sum of number p and 4 is 15. Can I write in this way? Let's see. The sum of number p and 4 is 15. This is the statement for this equation. In this way, we will write the equation for all the statements. See, all the equation. We have to write the statement. M minus 7 is equal to 3. Now see, 7 is subtracted from m and gives result is 3. 7 is subtracted from m gives 3. See, question number 3, 2m is equal to 7. 2 times m, 2 into m, that means 2 times m gives us 7. So 2 times m is 7. This is the statement for this equation. Next, 1 by 5m is equal to 3. That means 1/5 of m is equal to 3 is 3. 1/5 of a number m is 3. M is the variable. 3 by 5m is 6. That means 3/5 of a number is 3/5 of a number m is 6. Next equation was 4p minus 2 is equal to 18. 2 is subtracted from 4 times p is 18, gives 18. 2 is subtracted from 4 times p gives 18. Last one, 1 by 2p plus 2 is equal to 8. Half of p added with 2. Half of p added with 2 gives us 8. Half of p added with 2 gives 8. This is the equation. Now we will make the same kind of equation from a story problem. Set up an equation of the following cases. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmit has. And Irfan's total number of marble is also given. Irfan has 37 marbles. Take m for the to be the number of Parmit's marble. This is given this as a hint. Take m as variable for this equation. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more, that means plus 7. With 7 into m, 7 marbles more, 7 will be added. With which number? 5 times of the marbles, 5 into m. So what will be the equation? Irfan says that 7 marbles more. 7 marbles more. Then Parmit's a m marble. 5 times of the Parmit's marble. 5 times of the Parmit marbles plus 7 is the number of marble Irfan has, that is 37. So 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. Next question is, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Whatever Lakshmi's age we will take as a variable. Here the hint is given, Lakshmi's age to be y years. So 3 times Lakshmi's age will be 3y. And it is Lakshmi's father is 4 years old, so plus 4. This is Lakshmi's father's age, 3y plus 4, which is equal to 49. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old, so it is Lakshmi's father's age, and he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. 3 times Lakshmi's age 3y, 4 years more plus 4. Understood? Next, the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks. Teacher tells the class that highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks. Plus 7. if we take the variable for the lowest marks and twice the lowest marks, that means 2 into the that variable plus 7. Take the lowest score be L, it is given in the question. Take the lowest score be L. So twice the lowest score, that is 2L plus 7. What we are getting here? The highest marks. That means 2 into L plus 7 is equal to the highest marks. What is the highest marks given? Highest marks is 87. So it is 87. 2 into L means 2L plus 7 is equal to 87. And this is the equation for this story problem. Next, in an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angles. Either base angles, let the base angles be B degree. Let the base angle be B degree. It is given. So what we can write? Now in an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angles. Let the base angles be B degree, and it is given, let the base angle be B degree, it is given in the question. So it is base angle and this is base angle. So two base angles values are same. Value of the two base angles are same. It is also B, and the vertex angle is twice, that means 2B. So we can write 2B plus 2B degree plus B degree plus B degree is equal to 180 degree. Why we are writing this? Because we know that, the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We are using this knowledge. We are writing 2B plus B is equal to 180 degree. That is 4B is equal to 180 degree. This is our equation for this sum. I hope all of you understood. Thank you, boys.